Real Madrid. Latest news? 5-minute YouTube script. Hello, Madridistas, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got several exciting Real Madrid updates, including preseason preparations, the new away kit, transfer rumors, and what fans can expect before the new La Liga season begins. So make sure you stay until the end. Let's start with the team's preseason. Real Madrid continue their preparations ahead of the new campaign. Reports suggest that the coaching staff is putting the squad through demanding training sessions with a strong focus on fitness and tactical organization. The goal is simple: make sure the team is fully ready before the first league match. Real Madrid. Now, let's talk about the brand new away kit. The club has officially unveiled the 2026-27 away jersey. The design features a dark green color with elegant off-white details and Adidas's classic trefoil logo. Many fans have already praised the modern look, and stars like Jude Bellingham and Trent Alexander-Arnold appeared in the launch campaign. Real Madrid. Speaking of Bellingham, he continues to receive massive praise following his performances during the World Cup. In a recent fan poll, he was voted the most impressive Real Madrid player at the tournament, finishing well ahead of several other Madrid stars. Managing Madrid. Now, onto the transfer market. As always, Real Madrid are being linked with several players. One of the biggest names in recent rumors is Michael Olise, with reports claiming he would like to join Los Blancos. However, there is still no official confirmation from the club, so for now these remain transfer rumors rather than completed deals. Managing Madrid. There has also been speculation surrounding the future of Aurelien Tchouameni, with reports linking him to Premier League clubs. At this stage, nothing has been officially announced by Real Madrid, so fans will need to wait and see how the transfer window develops. The Irish Sun. Finally, Real Madrid fans can already look forward to the start of the La Liga season. The opening fixtures have been confirmed, and supporters are eager to see how the team performs after a busy summer of preparation. Página web official de La Liga, Scribers, La Liga. That's all for today's Real Madrid update. Which story are you most excited about? Do you think Real Madrid will win La Liga or the Champions League this season? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Real Madrid news. As always, Hala Madrid!